up for Aspen Power Catamarans.
Thank you. I brought my whole team with me. Well, part of my team. Whoa! Don't touch the mic, Larry. Okay. I have notes. The lighting is really bad up here, just saying. I'm not big on speeches, but wanted to thank Seattle Business Magazine for this award. Pretty terrific. I must admit, I was surprised, but pretty darn fun here. Lots of sharp-looking people out there tonight. How many of you guys went and got your hair cut today? Anybody? Yeah. All right. They said this speech should be about things that we're passionate about. And for me, that's always been boats. And then the other thing is my wife and family. I don't think you guys want to listen to my story about my wife tonight, but we'll talk about a little bit about boats. Aspen builds power catamarans, and they're high-speed displacement hulls. And it's a Power Pro catamaran, where one hull is bigger than the other, and it's extremely fuel efficient, very fast, top speed of about 24 knots. And very stable and really good in rough water. And so those are kind of odd combinations, quick and efficient, but that's Aspen. So they're also pretty eco-friendly. We'll use less fuel than a ski boat when we're at cruise speed with a 40-footer. That's pretty unusual. For me, I love creative engineering. I love solving problems in a way that's never been done before. And at heart, I'm an inventor, engineer kind of guy. We also, build those inventions for boaters, the goal being to truly delight those owners, to just, tickle them pink. We're a little bit like elves at Aspen. We build that dream for the customer, and we're sort of like toy builders, if you will, which I'm good with, actually. I love going where no man has gone before. I'm kind of that sort of guy. I love the big new idea, plus getting every feature and every piece of equipment just right as it goes into the boat. Just right, perfect pieces. Our goal is making our owners' time on the water, all fun with no pain. You think about a lot of boats and a lot of toys you get, there's a certain amount of fun, but they come with a little bit of pain and frustration. Our goal is to reduce those issues for the customers. My team loves building no-compromise boats, where every component, every detail, every user feature is not only the best in the world, but also intuitive and easy to use. And we're building toys. They've got to be fun and easy. In a lot of ways, we're perfectionists. We want things just right from when we do that first gel coat in the mold, all the way through every little piece just right in the boat. It seems to be working. Sales are up 43% this year, which also means the production staff is up 43%, the training is up 43%, and the cash flow should be up 43%. And our backlog is up at record highs right now, which is good. I like a big backlog. We're growing at warp drive speeds. We also strive to build a work environment where egos are small. I've worked at places where some guys will walk into a room and their ego is so big, it's like, how did you get through the door? And, that's not how we roll at Aspen. We want everybody to feel appreciated and their position in the company where their natural talents can shine. It's hard trying to get guys in, and you think you hired them for this, you end up moving them for other places, but you want them to shine and grow and excel. We want to be a place where management is striving to help our team members evolve and grow, to become their best, to live long and prosper. At Aspen's culture is making sure every interaction with an owner is first class. To empower each team member at each interaction to wow that customer, and to give them the authority to take responsibility for those things as they're working with the owners. We do weird things like answer the phone with a person, not a machine. I hate phone machines. When we do a tour, the first thing we do is we go up to the conference room, we talk with them, and we listen what it is their dream is. What would they like that new boat to be? What are they going to do with it? And how can we make that dream come true? Every team member can own an issue, and he knows their own issue. They can own the issue, and they have a spending limit. So, if it's under $500, anybody in the company can say, yes, we'll do that for you. And everybody else in the team has got a number where they can take care of it without having to go to management and have to hop around and get a response. I hate that kind of stuff. We even give one-on-one factory tours, which is kind of unusual in this. So you actually one-on-one go see the factory. Our goal is 100% respect, 100% ownership by my team in every interaction with an owner. Another part of our culture is a workplace environment. Every team member is proud to walk into every day. So everything in the factory has a home. It's always clean. It's an easy place to succeed. In a lot of factories, that's not the way it is. And a creative environment, where new ideas can be accepted quickly. We want to build a boat so cool, so right, that every time our owner walks down the dock and sees his Aspen, that his heart jumps a little bit, and a slow smile rolls on his face. Yeah, that's my boat. That's our goal, okay? So then I have the last little bit of this is things I've learned after building about 3,000 boats. And this is kind of fun. So, when management, is out in the factory with the team, and they're on the floor looking at something that just doesn't make sense, it just can't work. And what does the guy on the production floor say? We've always done it that way. You guys ever see that? We've always done it that way. I hate that kind of concept. Anyway, but it happens. You guys have been on the factory. No one guy has all the answers. Amazing products are built by amazing people and amazing teams. Often the guys on the floor have the best ideas and are open to them. And I don't know how you kind of say this, but precision is a real key part of manufacturing. And stacking those details from one end of the boat to the rest, to the other end, every little detail makes a difference, and every component is just right. That's key to manufacturing success, in my view. And another thing that I think is that everybody on the team, every person, wants to do it right. I mean, they want to succeed, and they want to be recognized for doing it right. If you keep this thought in your DNA as you work with the team, you're always going to succeed. Everybody needs love, I think, is one concept. Stay calm, almost always. And then the last one is, that I've learned over the years is, have you guys ever noticed, engineers never finish on time. It just never happens. Anyway, thank you guys. Woo! I'm an engineer.